Want to learn how to effortlessly blast announcements, promotions, or vital updates to all your WhatsApp groups using Wati? Let's dive in. First, navigate to your Wati Dashboard. You should see all your connected WhatsApp accounts and various options laid out. Make sure you're logged in and your account is active. Now, find the section labeled Contacts or Groups. It might even be called Segmentation. Click on it. This is the key to managing who receives your messages. Here, you'll see a list of your WhatsApp groups already connected to Wati. If your groups aren't showing, you'll need to connect them first following Wati's integration guides. Once they are connected, select the group or groups you want to send a message to. Next, find the Compose Message button. This is where you build your message. Keep it concise, engaging, and relevant to the group's purpose. You can even use Wati's formatting tools to add bold text, italics, or lists to make your message stand out. Before sending, double-check your message. Ensure there are no typos, the right groups are selected, and the message aligns with the group's guidelines. A little proofreading prevents a lot of headaches. Finally, hit send. Wati will then deliver your message to everyone in the selected WhatsApp groups instantly. You officially mastered the art of WhatsApp group messaging within Wati. Don't forget to monitor your message interactions and adapt future content for maximum engagement.